Yeah, man. From our friends at KBS Coatings, this is their ultimate frame coater kit. It's got everything you need to clean, blast, and seal. And obviously, this is not a frame. I know, right?
Yeah, but it's
Shocking.
great because you get a kit like that. You have everything you need for a full-size car or truck, and it's durable. I mean, dude, give those things a smack.
Yeah, man. I love this. This is how they show off how tough it is, okay? Hold your ears. Look, I cracked that pipe, dent it, right? The coating is still all good to go.
It's really cool because, like I said, it's 3 steps, but it's simple. It's clean,
Yeah.
then a surface prep. So there's a zinc phosphorus sort of coating, a bite, and then you seal it. Now, anything that's not exposed to UV, you're done.
Yeah.
Like rear ends, frames, underbody,
Yeah.
steering racks, drive shafts, all that
of it.
stuff, you're done. Now, if it's going to be exposed to UV, you don't want any fading, put a little top coat on it, and you have, I mean, one of the most durable, toughest rust preventive coatings you can get. The other neat thing they have in the kit is the cavity coater. Now, they got a little wand right here, so if you hook it on like a regular spray can, this will spray out in all directions, so you can, let's say, feed it up through a frame, down in little holes, so the inside of the frame, you get a nice repairable coating that'll keep the inside from rusting out too.
Let's show you a couple of the steps, man, and this thing is gonna come back looking fantastic. Just watch and follow along. It's as easy as clean, blast, and seal, and this is the type finish you get, man. Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, wouldn't you be proud to have that underneath your hot rod, your car, truck, whatever?
Yeah.
And pick your color. They got 10.